Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Wanquanju, a traditional Hakka building located in Taichung County's Fengyuan City, once belonged to the descendants of Zhang Dajing. Zhang was a critical person in the development of Taichung City. Zhang is famous for helping local residents eliminate plagues. He also built a large ditch for irrigating farmlands. The Zhang residence is rated as a third-class historic monument.
位在台中丰原市的传统客家建筑万选居，是清朝开拓台中的关键人物张达金后代的故居，已被列为3级古迹。张达金曾做过通事，也就是翻译官，帮助乡里消除瘟疫，开发葫芦墩圳灌溉农田，十分受人敬重。Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Lin, and today it's a place known as 豐原哦。
豐原的台中，
豐原 as in Taichung. It's pretty well known, even in the Japanese occupation era. 其实听说在日據時代的時候就蠻有名的。
葫蘆墩頭背後一個米當有名，佢係愛本一個日本天皇式的。
哦，是這樣子嗎? Okay, so back in the Japanese occupation era, this place was known as Huludun, and back then they grew rice. For the emperor, actually, but it's no longer the case.
一下較無按有名啦，一下較有名係東埔嘅米較有名。
Oh, okay. So nowadays, when you go here, you can actually take your bike or maybe even rent a bike and go on the bike trails.
有，一個赤行茶土嗬，其實係當有名嘅，因為佢係留嘅橋嘅復茶路來改建變做一赤行茶土。
哦 ，OK， 這個自行車，我們來教一下大家怎麼說。
赤行茶
Okay, that's a bicycle. If you take your bike, you can go to a place known as 後豐鐵馬道.
後豐鐵馬道
後豐鐵馬道. Okay, that's the bike trail known as the 後豐 bike trail. And I think it's 4.6 kilometers long, so it's not too bad. No, 聽說這個全長大概也有4.6公里，快5公里。
差不多。
還不錯。All right, let's review these places and terms. In Taichung, it's 豐原. 豐原. And back in the days, their rice was well known, especially for the Japanese emperor. 他們以前呢會產米。
葫蘆墩米.
Okay, that is the 葫蘆墩 rice. And then you can take your bike, 自行車.
赤行茶
and you want to take your bike to the 後豐鐵馬道.
後豐鐵馬路
That's the 後豐 bike trail. Okay, so enjoy your trip, and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺自細張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.